Got some plaque? Well, that's just whack. Hi, I'm Christina. I'm the lead hygienist here at Dublin Dental Care, and I want to welcome you to our Dental Hygiene Wednesdays. Every week we like to cover different topics or products that we use here in our office that we feel are important for our viewers and our patients to know about. That way you guys can keep your mouths nice and healthy when you're not in our chair here in the office. Last week we talked about flossing and the different technique you should be using to make sure that you're flossing correctly to keep your mouth and your gums nice and healthy. This week we are actually talking about something that floss helps get rid of, and that is plaque. Pretty much everybody has plaque in their mouth. Unfortunately, it's something that occurs every day from when you eat your foods and drink your beverages. That breaks down and causes the plaque to sit along your teeth and your gum line. So we're going to talk about what it looks like, and we're also going to talk about ways to make sure you're keeping your mouth clean so you can get rid of that plaque so it doesn't start breaking your tooth structure down. So plaque, sometimes looking in your mouth you might not be able to see it. Other times it can get stained by things that you're eating or drinking. You might see a little bit of yellowish. That's normally areas where plaque builds up. A lot of times you're going to see the plaque build up right along the gum line and right in between the teeth. These are areas where it's harder to keep clean. Your toothbrush bristles might not get right in between the teeth. So those are areas to make sure you're keeping clean. Ways to do that are with your electric toothbrush or manual toothbrush, making sure that you are brushing along the gum line to get the gums nice and clean, and also angling while you're brushing so you're getting that toothbrush and the bristles in between the teeth also. Another thing is to make sure that you are flossing daily, and when you're flossing you are pulling the floss nice and tight against the tooth and going down, up and down the tooth to make sure you're cleaning the whole side of the tooth and also in between where the teeth come together. And then something else that we always recommend that helps kind of clean the plaque out from in between the teeth are the stimulants, and we've done a video on that. So if you have not seen it, feel free to check our YouTube or Facebook page to find that video and kind of see how those work. But these are all things that will help keep you from getting the plaque buildup and help get rid of the plaque that starts to build up throughout the day. Making sure that you're brushing twice a day, flossing at least once a day, and using the stimulants will help keep that from not only causing cavities on your tooth structure, but also keeping your gums nice and healthy. That's the goal, is keeping your mouth, overall mouth, healthy. So when you come in, we can tell you there's nothing that we see and let you go on your way without having to do any treatment. So if you use all these tips that I gave you, hopefully you can keep your mouth nice and healthy and keep that plaque from breaking down the tooth structure. I want to thank you for joining us today. We always love seeing your likes and your comments on our videos, so feel free to let us know what you think. If you have any questions for me, you can email me at christina@dublindentalcareohio.com, and feel free to check out our website. It's dublindentalcareohio.com. You can even schedule an appointment there. Thanks for joining, and we look forward to seeing you next week. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how awesome happens.